So I'm Scott. I've been here going on a year. Well, I strive to better myself. I definitely want to make sure like I'm up to date with the technology because it's so fast moving. Basically like a car's a little baby computer. There's probably at least 40 modules on every car, everything from like 15 and up, you know? So you got to make sure you're up to date with all the processes and the specifications and, you know, knowledgeability as far as, you know, looking up service information, just keeping up to date with the technology because it changes so fast. I mean, I think myself like a car doctor, you know, basically customer comes in with a problem, like you go to the doctor with a problem. So you got to, you know, talk to the doctor and tell them what's wrong with your car or tell them what's wrong with your body. Same thing we deal with. We're trying to figure out what's wrong with your car. You know, the engine's like a heart, you know? So, and there's a whole bunch of other, the wirings, your vanes and stuff like that. So you're trying to figure out what's wrong with the car without having the actual patient, which is the customer, with you, you know, telling you every single thing that's wrong. So you got to try to figure it out.